In today's video, I will walk you through how to buy crypto on Coingecko. First, search for Coingecko and click the first result. This will take you to the Coingecko homepage. Once you're on the homepage, click Cryptocurrencies in the menu. You will see options such as cryptocurrencies and exchanges. After that, click on Buy Market Cap. Once you are on that page, scroll down to view the available cryptocurrencies. As you scroll, you will also see sections such as Trending and Top Gainers, along with other crypto coins listed on Coingecko. Continue scrolling until you find the coin you want to buy. When you see the coin you want, select it. In this example, we'll choose Monero. After selecting the coin, scroll down on the coin's page. You will see information related to that cryptocurrency, including its trend and chart. On the upper left, you will options like Buy and Sell, Wallet and Earn Crypto. Go on and click on Buy and Sell. From there, you can view the available cryptocurrency exchanges where that coin can be purchased. Coingecko will display different exchange options for the selected coin. For example, you may see exchanges such as MetaMask, mooncrypto.com, or variational listed as places where the coin is available. Review the available exchanges shown for the coin you selected. Once you choose an exchange, you can proceed to purchase the coin through that exchange. That's all there is to it. To buy a cryptocurrency using Coingecko, search for the coin you want, open its page, scroll down to the Buy and Sell section, and use one of the listed exchanges to complete your purchase. The purchase itself is made through the exchange shown on the coin page rather than directly on Coingecko.